Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing fine myself, but very tired. Because I woke up 3 hours ago and I just ate a large steak, a pear, and a piece of bread. Half a pear. I can never finish. I can never finish the fruit I eat. So I was watching The Witcher. There's this battle scene. It's very wicked. A lot of dead men in the battle scene. In the battle scene. Yeah. I'm so tired. So, I think that I'm going to write a story on my phone in notes. Alright. Not in notes, but in the app notes. Alright. So I'm going to go. See ya.